Welcome back to Ason Tech Hub Web Development Series. In our previous video, we learned how to install Visual Studio Code, set up a folder in a Visual Studio Code, and also how to create file in Visual Studio Code. In this video, we're going to be learning how to install and set up Live Server in Visual Studio Code. Live Server is an extension that allows your site to preview instantly once you save it without the need of refreshing. You don't need to refresh the browser before the new changes appear on your site. So to do this, we need to open our Visual Studio Code and click on the extension box. So in the extension box here is going to load here. We can see the popular extension, the recommended extension. So the extension we need there is Live Server. So we're going to type in the Live Server in the search input there. So we're going to search for Live Server. So that is the Live Server. We are going to select the Live Server to install it. So we do that just by clicking on it, and it will display this for us. So click on install, then we accept that we trust the author to install it. And that is it. The installation has begun. So you can scroll down to see some information about Live Server. This is basically about Live Server, what it does, the shortcut, and all that, how to use the Live Server. Those are the information that are currently displaying on the screen. So we can check it out. Once it's done installing, you will see this page. You will see that it has been installed. So we have an option. You will see this message telling us that this has been installed successfully. So we can just click it and start using our Live Server. So now we have Live Server installed on our system. In our next video, we are going to look at how to use this Live Server. So this is basically how to install Live Server in Visual Studio Code.